Be ready, 5 seconds to go. The appellant impugns the award of compensation on the following grounds: that there was no eyewitness to the accident which resulted in unfortunate amputation of the right arm of the victim; that injured Dharmendra is admittedly an illiterate person, therefore he could not have taken down the number of the offending vehicle; that since he was hit from behind by the offending vehicle and having fallen down violently, he could not possibly have seen or noted the number of the offending vehicle; that the complainant was made to the police one whole day later and the evidence of the alleged pillion rider viz. Shiv Charan was found untrustworthy. Indeed, the claim of compensation preferred by Shiv Charan has been dismissed; that the police complaint was filed on the basis of an intimation given by Deepak, who was told by the uncle of Shiv Charan, who actually witnessed the accident. While the aforesaid arguments may look attractive at first instance, nevertheless, on examination they are without basis. These issues have been dealt with by the learned tribunal as under in an action founded on the principle of fault liability. The proof of rash and negligent driving of the offending vehicle is sine qua non. However, the standard of proof is not as strict as applied in criminal cases, and evidence is tested on the touchstone of principle of preponderance of probabilities. In order to establish the case, petitioner examined himself as PW4 being eyewitness of the accident. He deposed that on 12 February 2017 at about 5:30 p.m. he was coming to Bagpat, UP along with his friend for some work on his motorcycle, and when they reached near Mandola village, Tronika city, a truck bearing registration number HR55W0193 came from behind at a high speed while being driven in rash and negligent manner and hit them, as a result of which they fell down and his right arm was crushed under the offending vehicle. Further, he deposed that he was shifted to nearby hospital, but due to his serious condition he was referred to LNJP Hospital, Delhi, and during treatment his right arm was amputated. It is observed that witness was cross-examined in detail by all the respondents. However, accident in question between the offending vehicle and motorcycle of petitioner has not been disputed. On behalf of respondent number 1 and 2, only a suggestion was given to PW1 that their motorcycle was being driven in rash and negligent manner and not to the offending